15 short habits with a massive return on life. 1. Write down something you're grateful for every day. This is the best happiness hack I've found. 2. Swap your phone for a Kindle at bedtime. This fixed 90% of my sleep problems. 3. Consume educational content at 1.5x speed. Studies show that retention rate is the same as at normal speed. 4. Read something every day, even just one page. 5. Write a 5-item to-do list each morning. Prioritize it by importance. 6. Automate small decisions or tasks. Save your brain power for bigger things. 7. Learn to use body scan meditation to fall asleep quickly. 8. Go to bed 30 minutes earlier. 9. If you want something, ask for it. Closed mouths don't get fed. 10. Be proactive at making plans with friends. Life happens, and it's easy to drift apart when you're busy. 11. Keep a swipe file of things that resonate with you. 12. Write down one story-worthy moment each day. In a month, you'll have 30 new stories to tell. 13. Put your phone out of reach while you're working. 14. Double down on creative activities that make you lose track of time. 15. Track every minute of your day for a week. See where your time is actually going.